Do you think we'll get some tempo to the game today? Its builders are friendly.
Well, I hope so. I mean, that's something. If there's no tempo to it, Martin, it'd be a waste of time. So that's something the managers will be after.
Manchester United getting the first half underway. Well, I wouldn't call that in a goal. Could it be? Plenty of power in the shot. Plenty of strength from the goalkeeper. Attacking now. He'll feel good about that. A really strong and clean tackle. This is the chance. Oh, fantastic goal. And the score is 1-0. It's a return ball. This is... Oh, it has to be. Here's the chance, and he knocks in the goal. Now it's 2-0. Here, in with a chance. They've taken on the full. Even if he'd scored, they might not get back into the game, but we'll never know maybe now, because that really would have given them a bit of a platform for a recovery, you would have thought.
When something like that happens, Martin, you begin to think it's just not going to be your day.
He's beaten his man. Here he is with a chance. Got to be. It's a good try, isn't it, in the circumstances? But they need these to go in, not just fly wide.
Yeah, they do. I mean, they haven't let the heads drop, in fairness to them. They've kept on plugging away.
What a chance here. Oh! That's a turnover of possession here. Dangerous moment. What a chance! Bounce back off the post.
Good skill, but you look at the defender, not good enough.
Well, they've been thwarted here. That's a sign of better things to come. And the referee says free kick. And the defender has dispossessed him. Trying the dink pass, he likes that, but it didn't come off for him then. And the referee is blown for half-time. It's 2-0 here. And here at Old Trafford, the second half is underway. It was good play until they got that challenge in. Just a touch, enough to take it over the line. It's another attack with plenty of support for him. Brilliant opening. He'll feel good about that. We're not sure what the referee's going to do here. Oh! Ronaldo's hit it well, but the goalkeeper's done even better. Great opportunity. Could it be? And that's the keeper's athleticism there to make that save. And that will be a corner. Activity on the bench for the losing team. A substitute getting ready to come on. And the corner, well, least said about it, the better. Oh! You have to be a good player to wait a pass like that. A little dink, really. And the referee's letting it go. Well, in the referee's mind, there was an advantage, but not enough of one, so it's going to be the free kick. Ronaldo. And that is a super interception. Surely he's going to score here. Good, clean tackle. That's a vital stop. Now it's a free kick that the referee has decided to award. Well, they're still trailing and they need to do something now if they want to get back into this game. Maybe some fresh legs will do the trick. On to Ronaldo. It's 82 minutes played now. Just get the ball away from their goal, and here's the opportunity. In with a chance. They've got a corner now. And he's in there with a header. Cristiano Ronaldo. Close range chance, got to be. Oh, it's Ronaldo! And the score is 3-0. He's cut it out, and he's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. So that confirms it, the final score, 3-0. I don't think they'll be playing this fixture as a friend.